Welcome back to my channel, friends. I am Satyabrata. Today I am going to share you the latest situation in Thailand. Many viewers and subscribers have requested me to make a video about Thailand. Today video is going to be very interesting because so many international travelers wants to visit further in Thailand. However, the current situation in this Thailand is getting worsened because entertainment venues in 41 provinces including Bangkok will be closed for 14 days in order to prevent further spread of COVID-19. The proposal is expected to be signed by the Prime Minister as early as possible, but there are no restrictions on domestic travel. Prime Minister of Thailand has categorically said that there are no plans to enforce a national lockdown. On the other hand, Thailand leading virologist has warned that the upcoming Songkran festival could result in a new wave of COVID-19 infections. They are expecting that the daily infection rate to jump from 10 to hundreds after Songkran festival. You know, friends, Songkran festival is very famous in Thailand. It's also called water festival. Most of the travelers wants to visit in Thailand during Songkran. Friends, despite the Thai government banning large gathering and water throwing this Songkran, no restrictions have been passed on domestic travel. Even the Thai government is actually encouraging people to travel and spend money during the week long holiday. Friends, I must tell you one thing that we should not travel in Thailand during this pandemic situation. Once border is opened, we will be able to visit Thailand, so that we need to wait another 6 months. I hope that everything will be fine before October, so that we will be able to visit Thailand. So friends, I would like to share you one more thing. Thailand Minister for Tourism said that he would be discussing with Singapore about forming a travel bubble with Asian nation next week. Tourism Minister also said that Singapore already has an agreement with Australia and New Zealand. He hopes that Thailand could join this for the mutual benefit of travel for all. Friends, I need to say that many other low COVID cases countries on his bubble radar. This include Vietnam and Laos, where the virus is largely under control. Friends, let me give you one more information about COVID-19 situation. A corona outbreak in Thailand capital may take more than 2 months to control. Thailand announced a board ban on nightlife to tackle a new wave of infection and highly congestion variant. As per my opinion, friends, the main source of the infection is in Bangkok entertainment zones. We should avoid entertainment zones while traveling to Bangkok. I hope that you like this video. Please share, comment and don't forget to subscribe my channel for further notifications. Thank you.